So here we are going to demonstrate about multi-purpose agriculture machine. So there are ploughing at the front end, pesticide spraying nozzles over here. This is an 16-liter pesticide tank, which consists of a DC motor and lead acid battery. And here there is an seed drop setup where you can place the seeds and drop the seeds at the bottom end via funnel. And this is how we are going to demonstrate the pesticide sprayer machine. So you can push it manually to and fro, back. Okay, so like this it can move forward and backward. So by pressing an on off switch, so when you press the on switch over here, there you can see the seed drop is being activated. Okay, and here there is another red color switch, so which helps to turn on the pump. So before turning on the pump, you have to keep in mind that press the lever open. Okay, this red color should be in the open state so that the water will be sprinkling, pesticide will be coming from the nozzles. So should not remove this forward, so it should be in the open mode, then only the sprinkle will be activated. Thank you.